Moikka! Let's make some whimsical washi tape flowers for journals. I think I need some decorations to my summer art journal, and I had this idea that I could do them with washi tape. A few videos ago I made these gratitude flowers, and then I made these washi tape houses. And now I thought that I could combine the two techniques. So let's get to it and grab those washi tapes. I am making the other one with some darker shades and the other one with some lighter tapes. Now the washi tape collages are ready. And next let's make some flowers. And now let's use a cardstock like from a food package or something like that. And let's draw the sabloon for the flowers. We will do the bigger flower with the darker shades and the little flower with the lighter shades. So now let's draw a flower. Like so. And then let's make a smaller flower, and it comes over this bigger flower. So not too big. And now let's cut them. There, and now you can test the little flowers. I think they look rather cute. Like so. Now let's draw the flowers. You can do this either on this side or on this side. Yes, now the bigger flowers are ready. And then the same thing with the little flowers. And I will be using a black marker for this one. Okay, now the flower drawings are done. And next it is time to cut the flowers. And I am cutting these flowers inside the white line so it doesn't show on the flower itself. It's just a guideline for the cutting, and if it shows here and there it doesn't matter because I will ink the edges. Now I have cut the flowers, and there are many extra flowers here, but these are nice to use in art journaling sceneries. Now I will do some inking. And because these are flowers, I think I will use some rose dust. Yes, this is nice. And then the little ones. Cute, cute. This gives a nice finishing touch to the flower. The inking is done, and the next part will be pairing these up, these hearts. So I'm just randomly picking the pairs and see what I like. Yes, next let's glue these together. And now our flowers needs the center part, and I will use another piece of cardstock, and then I will just color this yellow, the whole thing. And now let's make some little circles. And they don't need to be symmetrical. After all, these are Whimsy flowers. And now I will add some inking to the edge. And then let's glue the centers to the flower. Now the little Whimsy Washi flowers are ready. And you can use this with a paper clip to pop into your journal, and you can write something behind this if you like. I think I will use these in my art journaling scenery spreads a lot. Yes, it was so much fun to make these. Until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.